Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Mint Mobile, one of the most talked about budget carriers in the United States. If you've been hearing about people paying as little as $15 a month for their phone plan, there's a good chance they're talking about Mint. And in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, the main features, the pricing details, the pros and cons, and finally a balanced conclusion on why many people call it one of the best mobile options in 2025. So let's get started. Mint Mobile is a wireless service provider, what's known as a MVNO, or a mobile virtual network operator. That simply means Mint doesn't own its own cell towers. Instead, it leases coverage from one of the big national networks, in this case, T-Mobile's network. Mint launched back in 2016 and it's grown super quickly by offering something most big carriers don't. Really affordable prepaid plans that still deliver solid nationwide coverage. What makes Mint different is how it sells its service. Instead of billing you every month, Mint asks you to pay upfront for several months of service at once, typically 3, 6 or 12 months. That's a big part of how it keeps prices so low. You prepay in bulk and in return, Mint gives you major discounts on your monthly rates. Now let's say you're used to paying $70 or $80 per month for phone service. Mint's plans can essentially cut that cost in half or even more if you're willing to pay ahead. And the best part is Mint runs on T-Mobile's powerful 5G and 4G LTE network. So you're not sacrificing speed or coverage in most areas. You'll still get strong data connections, reliable call quality, and nationwide access to T-Mobile's towers. Now let's talk about the main features of Mint Mobile. First is the network coverage. Mint uses T-Mobile's network, which provides extensive 5G and LTE coverage across the US. That means fast data speeds, reliable service, and access to one of the most advanced 5G infrastructures in the country. Unlimited talk and texts. Every Mint plan comes with unlimited talk and text within the US. There are no extra fees or complicated add-ons. There are also flexible data options. Mint offers several data tiers, typically 5GB, 15GB, 20GB, and an unlimited option. So whether you're a light user who checks just on social media or you're someone who streams videos all day, there's a plan that fits your needs. And of course, there's the unlimited plan. You can see that at the banner on the top of the home page. They're giving 12 months of unlimited premium wireless for $15 per month. The unlimited plan gives you high-speed data up to a certain limit, usually around about 35 gig before potential slows down, plus up to 10 GB of mobile hotspot usage. Interestingly, you can bring your own phone. That plan exists on Mint. You can bring your existing unlocked phone to Mint, keep your current number, and activate easily through their app or their websites. You don't have to buy new hardware unless you want to. And Mint also offers free calls to Mexico and Canada. Free calling and texting to Mexico and Canada is a nice touch for frequent travelers or anyone with family abroad. There's also the prepaid and digital-only experience. Everything with Mint is handled online, from signing up to activating your SIM card to renewing your plan or checking your data usage. The app makes the whole process simple and user-friendly. What is the pricing of Mint like? There are different plans on Mint. For example, if you are subscribing to the 5G home internet that's reliable, you get unlimited 5G home internet network powered by T-Mobile, and it starts at $30 per month with a Mint phone plan. As earlier mentioned, there's also the $15 per month a year unlimited, which is one of the most popular plans right now on Mint. It's pretty cheap. What are the pros and cons of using Mint Mobile? First, the pros. Amazing value for your money. There's also strong coverage and speed. It is simple and transparent. There are no hidden fees anywhere, no contracts, no confusing add-ons. What you see is what you pay. You can also bring your phone because you can easily switch without having to buy a new device. There's app control. The Mint mobile app also makes managing your plan very easy, from checking usage to renewing or upgrading. And they get discounts from time to time when you check around on the website. How about the cons of this? The cost of renewals. After a discounted price, renewals may rise. For example, after your first term, short-term renewals cost more unless you commit to about 6 or 12 months. The coverage. It also depends on your area. T-Mobile's network is strong, but rural or remote users may see weaker signals. So let's break it all down. Is Mint Mobile really worth it in 2025? In my opinion, I'd say yes for the right type of user, because Mint has mastered the art of giving people real value. You're getting access to one of the biggest networks in the country at a fraction that you would normally pay. For individuals or couples who want reliable service without paying the premium that comes with big name carriers, then Mint makes a lot of sense. Well, that said, it's not for everyone, because if you live in a rural area where T-Mobile's coverage is spotty, or you need in-person customer service, then you might find it less convenient. And that's it on the review of Mint Mobile. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Visible by Verizon, Tello Mobile, and Cricket Wireless. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.